I have also taught how to preserve yogurt in sodium benzoate, but guys, you have to put it in the fridge. If you want that kind of preservation, I have it on my channel. I'm even going to, if I have the time, I'm going to leave it under this particular video, right? If you want free yogurt preservation, I'll leave it under this video. So you can actually check it and know how to use sodium benzoate to preserve your stuff. If you want this one, the benefit of this particular cloth is that whether you keep it in the fridge or not, it will not spoil. And it's going to last you for months. Okay guys, welcome back. Now this video is actually here because of the comment I got recently on one of my videos, which I'm going to leave up here. Like seriously, some persons are funny, some of you are funny. How can someone, like a reasonable human being, make this comment? I don't get it. How do some people think? Like, I don't understand. How can you say somebody is greedy because the person is trying to monetize what they know? First and foremost, I paid to learn. So something that I paid to learn, I've actually been teaching a lot of things for free on this channel, a lot of things. Now, just in case you don't know, to learn how to make yogurt from scratch, learning how to make yogurt from scratch, how to preserve yogurt, how to do bottling, how to do all of those things, to learn all of those things in this Nigeria cost you 300,000 naira if you're learning from someone who actually knows what they are doing. Now you have somebody who teaches you how to make this thing and every other thing for free. And the person now asks that if you want to learn this particular one, if only you want to learn how to preserve yogurt, it means that yogurt is your business. Like you're selling yogurt as a business. If you want, because if it's something you only do in your house for you and your family members to consume, you will not be bothered about how to preserve it. You will not. And you will not have issue with the fact that someone did not teach you how to preserve it. But the fact that you want to preserve your yogurt, it means that you're doing it for business. So if you are doing it for business, what stops you from investing in your business? I did not learn it for free. One other thing I need to tell you guys, because after this video, some of you still come to me, like come meet me in my DM, and then when I tell you my price, you want to price me. Listen, one other thing is, when you go to people who teach how to make yogurt, they have segments. They don't teach everything. The preservative class is different. The yogurt class is different. Packaging class is different. Costing class is different. Every class is different. Sometimes you have this particular class is 50,000. This that one is 30,000. This that one is this. This that one is this. If you want to learn everything, sometimes okay, you want to learn two. They may charge you 70,000 naira, 80,000 naira, 100,000 naira, 300,000 naira. You're learning everything because you're starting a business. And mind you, yogurt is not a cheap business. It's a business that when you start, you're going to make profits. Once you start selling yogurt, you're going to make profit. It's one of those healthy drinks we have out there. Now, someone spends money. Do you even know how much I spent to learn how to preserve yogurt? You think it's a knowledge that's like all of a sudden I just got it. You don't know that I paid to learn. I paid. Okay, now if you don't know that I paid to learn how to preserve yogurt, now I'm telling you guys that I paid to learn. So if I take my time to teach every other thing for free on my channel, guys, I'm not going to teach you how to preserve it for free, because for you to know how to preserve it means that it is your business. So you have to put money in your business. I don't even charge too much. What I charge is just 20,000 naira to preserve yogurt. Like, where do they even take 20,000? And funny enough, I don't charge like the 20,000 naira I'm paying or you're paying me. If you're somebody who don't even know how to do any yogurt thing, like anything about yogurt from scratch, I teach you everything. And it's not like I'm going to give you like a duration, like, okay, this class is for just this period of time, or it is for after this time I will not have time. No, once you pay me, like, it's a one-time thing, and I'm taking you all through. I will always be there to coach you and all of that. Now, all of these benefits are things that people, for how much? 20,000 naira. Except you're buying my course from seller, you can now buy it higher than that if you're buying it from seller. But if you're coming to me directly, what I charge is 20,000 naira to teach you how to preserve, which is not even what I paid to learn. I paid higher. I paid higher to learn only how to, because I already knew how to make yogurt and packaging and other things. Now costing, I did my research. Preserving yogurt, guys, I paid to learn it. Nobody taught me that for free. If you have never preserved your yogurt and you're into yogurt making, like you make yogurt for business and you don't know how to preserve it, you're going to experience a lot of wastage. You waste money. That money that you're holding tight is going to go if you don't know how to preserve it. Now, I'm compiling videos on how to preserve zobo, how to preserve tiger nuts, how to preserve soya milk. I'm compiling the video. I have done it. I'm compiling. When I'm done with this compilation, I'm going to announce the class. I'm not going to teach you for free. I teach you how to make it for free, but how to preserve it. If you want to learn how to preserve it, you will pay money, because this is knowledge that I invested in. I took my time to do research. I learn, I research, I do all of these things. I'm not doing it for free. Sorry, I will do every other thing for you for free. I will teach you how to do it, but you see how to preserve it. You have to put in a token to learn it. I paid higher. Although who have chatted me up, some of you can attest that I even had to screenshot how much I paid to learn only how to preserve yogurt. Only how to preserve yogurt. If you buy your milk and you make your yogurt and your yogurt, maybe there was no light or something and it is spoiled, you know how much milk is, you know how much you spent to make this yogurt. People waste money like 50,000, 100,000, and it all goes down the drain because they did not preserve it. And then you know how to also preserve your yogurt, and it's going to last you, save you that expenses, like you wasting things and stuff and all of those things for just 20,000 naira. And hey, good, on this channel I have up to like 20 videos about how to make yogurt, and of all those videos I have taught how to make yogurt over and over again, how to make soya milk over and over again, how to make carrot over and over, how to make zobo over and over again. And I don't even do any of these things off the camera. The only thing I keep away from people, or the only thing I keep away from you, except somebody who pays me, is how to preserve, because it stressed me to know how to preserve my yogurt. Just the same way it stressed me, or it's stressing me to preserve soya milk and these things, to learn how to also know, to research and learn how to preserve these things. It's really stressing me because I know how many months I've been doing this research. Now, after all of these things, you just want to go and give it for free. So you not even value the information, because people don't even value free things. People don't value free things. Guy, you're going to pay money to learn. If you're not willing to pay to learn, do not talk to me about it. Do you get? I learned. I paid big money to learn only how to preserve yogurt. Do not expect me to give you for free. For me to even do it for 20,000 naira, it means that I have done enough for you, because guy, I'm one of those advocates of people doing something. Like I always advocate for, especially women, do something, have something doing, housewives and all of that. Don't not just sit back at home, have something doing. And that is why I even brought it down to that amount of money, so that people can partake, so that people can afford it and do it. My zobo and tiger nut and soya milk, this thing, I'm bringing it lower than that. Like I'm not going to charge up to what I charge for yogurt. You know why? Yogurt is not a cheap business. Yogurt is not something you sell for 200 naira or 300 naira, but soya milk and zobo is something you can sell for 300, 500 naira. Yogurt, people sell yogurt for like 1,500 naira and above. So for something you're selling one for 1,500, you're telling me that I'm greedy for not showing you how to preserve it. But when you go to the market to buy milk, you don't tell them that they are greedy for not giving you milk for free. No, you're going to pay money to buy milk. You pay money to buy starter, but you want to learn preservative for free. Good. If you want it, it's only for business people. So if you want it, come to my DM on WhatsApp. My number will let me screen. Okay? Thank you.